Hello and welcome to Pharma Time. Today I'll discuss about antidote. This is the topic which is very much important for pharmacy student as well as all stream of science students. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss as always. But before I begin, please subscribe Pharma Time. Pharma Time launch a PDF interview course. By help of this PDF, you can easily crack your marketing or production related interviews. For more details, you can check the description or mail in this mail ID. Okay, now all things are poisons and nothing is without poison. Only the dose permits something not to be poisonous. That means overdosing of drug became poisonous. So what is drug? Drug is any substance that cause a change in an organ's physiology or psychology when consumed. And antidote? Antidote is a medicine taken or given to counter a particular poison. And toxicology is the important topic for antidote. It is the branch of science concerned with the nature, effect and detection of poison. We can classify the antidote into three parts. First, chemical antidote, which change the chemical nature of poison, like sodium thiosulfate, which change toxic cyanide to the non-toxic thiocyanide. Second one, physiological antidote, which acts by producing the effect opposite to that of poison, like sodium nitrate converted hemoglobin into methemoglobin in order to bind cyanide. And lastly, mechanical antidote, which prevent the absorption of poison into the body, like activated charcoal absorb the poison prior to absorption across intestinal wall. When poison act into the body and then we take antidote, after that poison effect become reduced. This is the process for antidote use and its effect. Now I give you some example if poison attack in your body. In this time, which antidote you have to use against this particular poison attack. If you take extra iron salt, in this time you have to take deferoxamine. When you take isoniazid, in this particular poison attack you have to take vitamin B6 as a antidote. For heparin, protamine sulfate, and penicillin, epinephrine. For iron, in this time you have to take tesphenol as a antidote, and benzodiazepine, in this time you have to take flumazenine. For lead poisoning, you have to take EDTA or BAL. For ethylene, you have to take antizol. For magnesium sulfate, calcium gluconate, and digital is digibind. And for cyanide, sodium nitrate. If you interested in PDF interview course, then you can contact in this email ID or use this contact number. That's all about today's topic. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.